Ghana television and they say she have been award Toronto Harbour and then all white boat cruise. And the Quackran is saying, and you know, be like a mobile with one of any auntie, many apostles, and to know he'll be a fitter. Ah, just a drama ever has a book. And no prayer ton tickets. Auto tickets, Rabinian San, or Mobile Grenade. Now, I like a more, she maybe I see they can. What traffic day? As a with me peak. And it's only a old shares are in funny video way or Ghana can. Ah, me, I'm statement is that Prince, and where they okay. There's always a few one, I fear about a sampler. P. Never do any. So share any part behind you. Obiara any idea say bit a fracture ye ko trensus adofo a o ma sese o hu e be ho white na me ka na se ba mi ani o dey for kese say be me na afija ba na e fita ko a ye ko trensus nenso enyehu enti be di pa ni ano enti so obi a want me am afia we no dey na ka se no next year o the next year ombra yes sir you fix it. No, Obi ni fitan so be ndey. Anya hwe. Wo de bomo ni sitan ne bra. Enya do. Ni pedua na hia sa. Na o hwe Ghana television o wa TV dia. E de o de no. O krom. Mo da mecha. So krom. Piafo. Nenda. E ba house wa. E ba house wa. E kwose. Bi e kwose wa. E kwose ha no mu. But first is here. Any animal sunni, so I say, did you ever be over absence? So that's Toronto, because of gravity. Toronto, so because of the cancer, TV Friends of Canada. What's up, baby? Therefore, Aquaba. You got Trencio, so Jenny. Did you bless? All right. Cruising on what? Friends of Canada, Ramsey, no. Yeah, our Martin Park. No mentioning That's right. Now, no Fasia, with National Record, me really so. I can make sure I'm a silver. Whatever, Pia, Cassa. Na ena fita me boa fita ye kwatra nsuoso yeso na nyehu na me nyehu da fivi yo ko kwasi o dabi o kwasi from you go back yes e be nsuoso ne now e da mo kika na mabo wo na mo fo na yesia ena yes no e pajimfo ayebi sana na mo no mayebi piafo eti mayebi dia ese better to us na ya fremu nyina na mo ba dia obi a wan ti ma fe we no na o hwe Ghana TV no e de na o ka share afese se na wa ba kese pa na be bro we so obi ni fita se ma se fita ya o se bi nura o ba ti nya se bi aba awon se ba se bi do to ka anya ba bi so na di padu na hia anya ta di padu ya no se hia na the way mo pani fo ba ti nya ba bo ya chi bia e da masa bia na mi sha we na ya community dey we padu community bi say there we go no problem I will go here that need to and I'm in with that. But I happy life. Good to see you. I'm a 360. Let us say, you're the Dinianum, a bit silly, you're blessing me. We are my phone, Mobia, the big of them. I'm going to be a big of them. Now, Basamia, very back with me. Back with I say, that's today. And I don't know. There's so many. There's so many. So be show. So be show. Wa maybe. Assemble of a kitchen
last year was we are kind. This year is going to be this is not the no size. So no size. I love her. I love her. This person, this person, what you want to say? Oh, she is my lovely sister.
That's the original flyer from Toronto Airport. They were posing. It's all white, everything. And the people are white.
And it's going down. It's going down.
Everything is moving on well. Orekodo.
Hey,
and I might say, and I'm a quatrain also. So, and two will be able to channel or Gana TV and as a YouTuber. All right, that's right. If it's a channel, you want to know. Sorry, bless. And man, no. Careful. I love you. All right. Orekodo. This is Ramsey. You know. All right. We're chilling. Sabri, your friends and boat no landing. And to be auto ticket bia no oje banding. Enche bia back of full boat no. The back of full boat no. So be happy to check across. Yeah, oba so you are setting up free cocktail. Yeah, free cocktail. All right. The vibe is going on. Dance for me. That's the title of the track. Orekodo. Now me can say we boat cruise. I have free cocktail. Yeah, baby. I don't fall. Me am near Banzo Jina Oba Fefe. SL. What am I going to get you? Official fa. All right, Orekodo. Sa. Pepe. Sa, yeah. We never Banzo never know. Oima, I'm Wakwaba. Good to see you all. It is a wish me do ya when he equia. I don't fall. Obia. Send no Wabajini. Casting the meeting today. Bebre Busu. Abrafunu Busu Baya, Omono, Omanya Fita, some of them out to take it some Baba Juani. Then you just say yes. Ghana for you, dear. And to show more to me say, yeah. Truck BHB, no more Koso. Orekodo. Even though boats in some we take it to the Bemo Diana in Sacrano. Still, man for Chilwakra, Sanya for boat to cry. That's right. Now, what patch say? Ghana for Toronto. And the Jenkwa. Okay. See a son like a boat in the moon. Son like a boat in the moon. Boat to the sun. Funny baby brave. All right, how you doing? Ciao. Only answer a marketing wa. All right. Announce the market. Orekodo. It better pay cheap in. Boats in the winner, Yakwa na eso. Meka bra na champion me boat cruise no. Na me boat am use the friend Yankee lady. Ebe say we are champion no fa. Eti Minion my idea. My idea so I can my boom na turn tickets. All ethnic group. So and to be able for boat, you know. Sabre captain and the crew no more preparation for boarding. Boom say I'm gonna make more boat, you know. I'm gonna ready. I'm gonna see baby for na ya kwa for boat, you know. A boarding room. Sabre almost say full boat, you know. And I don't be ready. I'm person who boat to the mountain. Na no free a 4 hours boat trip. And to almost say be a bit lemu na aquatremu. What to take to Kurana? I said money Juma. You better check your wristband or ticket. And sana ebi wako ticket wako atra boat no more. Enterprise. As we the best side of my boat. Sabe me mo call parking lot one more or the 4 hour is in there. One more a year in everything is blessed. We are blessed one and I say also. We are the fitter. One time they Busimu and Robert Shimu what I say. Because I don't watch it. Yeah, I can crap. Bless. All right. I love you, buddy. It is social muhadia. Nipona fena be brave. Yeah, nice posting. Good to see you. Enjoy the trip, man. All right. So I just say, it is all white everything. Ghanaian organized boat cruise. It's a wake up party, like I said, a cocktail, you know. You're hanging around, chilling, waiting for the boarding. FBB, everything is white. Everything is white. Everything is white. Yeah, purple champagne has a brain. Orokodo. It's a fresh champagne. Somebody's youth. It is a live champagne. Hey, why my champagne in my nebio? Champagne in my nebio. My nebio. I'm working on. All right. It's a celebration, yeah. Good to see you all. Afishapa. All right, it's a good pop-up champagne. That's right. Oko truck room, so Oko do a truck room, and then about a Hennessy. You must have known. On tell you what. Oh, that's Tassie. Yo, I love you guys all. And it's blessings. Orokodo. Orokodo, nyedema. Ni wasem na Orokodo live. I got you. Yo. Ezzy. Do you know I love you? Me love you too much, you know. I love you more. Bless. She's a soul sister. All right, she's a soul sister. All right. A lot of cameramen here, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Ghana Can TV. Yeah. We're balling it up, man. Yo. The castle quite a bit with bread. Where can I go? Yes. What's what bread? That's it. That's why they them no cool. Tell Bahanma. It is what it is. Wow. You go so Chelsea back off boat. It's a cocktail time, ladies and gentlemen. The boat, you know, how fast the boat, you know, boat is there. The rich and there, tell me about some near coffee boats, you know. We have some record. And the cocktail now on the year. Sister, you know, Sister Sibia, what about there? What about the room? Hey, pre-party. What that force in you? What that force in you? It's a pre-party. It's a pre-party. Pre-party. All right. It's all going well. Salute the king. That's right. All right. Give it up. We love you, man. It's all good vibes, yeah. It's a good vibe, good vibe. That's right. See you in the boat. See you on board. All right. All right. Orokodo. That's right. Give it to me. I see you on the boat. Hello, Taki. Bless you, man. Orokodo. Sure. I can call this as a cocktail party. Cocktail party. All right. It is a cocktail. Before we board the boat, brothers and sisters are chilling. Yo, man, bro. I love your suit, man. I love your outfit. So good. That's okay. Yeah, what do you do? Oh, Lana. And to be able to boat, no. You better chill, drink something before you get on board. And you better on board now, I had that chum. Nowadays, we're able to see. Wow. Every truck is loaded. Every truck is loaded.
Oh, guys, coming.
Like, who Chrome? Let them have a Jennifer. Can we Jennifer? That's right.
Yo, we out here.
That's right.
Downtown Toronto.
Give it to me.
We're here to board on the Empress.
That's right.
This is all white.
Yo, so you don't feel the ship? You don't feel the water?
Well, I smell the water though. I smell it.
That's right.
I smell the water. I'm not on the water yet.
So if anybody watching you, he couldn't make it this year, what are you going to tell him?
Well, they missed out.
All right.
They missed out.
So what? Next year?
Peace.
All right. Yo, I love you guys.
All right.
Bless. Meet me there. It used to be in Ghana. Meet me there. 1st January. You're going to be here. Yeah, meet me there. Now we're here on Ghana TV. All right, bless up. I love you guys, boss.
Thanks, man.
All right, come on. Truck with you. Yo, share. If you're truck with you, put me on. The truck is loaded, man. The truck is loaded.
I'm leaving, sir.
Oh, sorry, bro. Sorry.
Come out and have fun because the summer is ending very soon.
How long? How many weeks we got?
3 more weeks and we're out of the summer.
And then we're going to the cold weather. The snow.
Come inside and come in.
We gotta put on a jacket.
Come and enjoy.
So we got
hot.
How many weeks we got? 3 more weeks.
3 more weeks and we're out of summer.
Oh man, poor Canada. Yo, what's your name, bro?
My name is Moses.
Moses. Where you live? East side or west side?
Dr. Mo.
What? Oh, hey, the brown area. Yo, keep it up, bro. Scarborough love you. I'm a Scarborough boy, east side. You know what I'm saying?
Guys in Scarborough, actually, they're all my buddies.
They're all my niggas too, man. We put together. Bless up, yo. See you next year. Orokodo, this is the pre-boarding. I put there. F-A-K-11, no? Pre-boarding. That's a party for pre-boarding. That's right. Hey. Orokodo. Say Ghana for Kromwa. Ghana for Kromwa. Yeah, it's like it's a long time. 2 dudes come together, expressing appreciation. All right. Sabre, me don't go parking lot to hand much. It's crazy. Anyway, both name you know. Gonna fall back home and we back. We parking lot to her. Cars $40 parking fee. Wow. Just look at it. Espanol are involved. Look at the parking. How many cars? Lots. Lots. There's gonna be a DJ on the boat, play Ghanaian music, hip hop, high life, Azonto, everything is blessed. I'm taking you to the parking lot, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nana Champon from Ghanacan TV. You are watching Ghanacan TV at the same time on the YouTube or here somewhere Korea. We got cars. Yo, Bentley, Rolls Royce. I'm trying to be good. I'm trying to be good, man.
You good?
If you're good, I'm good.
I'm actually.
Yeah, the Cape Boy. We go on the boat cruise. Everything is all white. Yo, hold on, say that. No, it is white, all white. Why are you not white? Why are you not white?
Exactly. No, I'm not going in the boat.
You're not going in the boat. So what are you doing here? So what are you doing?
We're not going in your boat.
So what are you doing here, man?
That boat right now. We're waiting for that boat.
It's not all white. That's Espanol. Ah, como estás, amigos?
Yours is Afrobeats, right?
Let me catch you there. Gana ni kani siye. That's it. To wasi. So mo. Gana ni car. And it's here to me. Let me in the I'm an Afro. Ross. All right. What package of transfer surgery? Now what was one more bunting? Umpo one step. Now who the any about years a bonsoir? What I say? Gonna focus in you. You say go come. Let me say go come. I'm telling the truth. Gonna focus a bit so. This is range. Jeep, this is my favorite car. What's it called? Remember now, so to mommy. Bless your heart. See what I say. Can afford Jack. What do we do your car show? We do car show, car show. This is Jack. What I say? No about him. 1,500 RAM. PPR. Ethiopia. Ethiopia parking lot. 2 ethnic group. Ghana and Espanol. Yenyina ya oho ba ya kakrom ha. No preacher boka wa here be family enchire. Be family enchire. It's a me car show about some Mercedes Benz back in CIA. So, Mercedes Benz no. Mercedes no na direct. We see the car we were high. So I'm general. Sure. Oria. We know your car show. We know car show. They are quite hard. We go away. Chromo Canada we ambassador. We play to use the car we say ambassador. Mama check. Minim car we ambassador ko use car we. The tonsa friend. So that's it. Yo, everything is bled. I'll be back. Sabre boat in the corner. The boat is sailing. Have fun, guys. You're watching Ghanacan TV. Over here at Samakodria YouTube. Have fun. All right. It's all good, Ghana vibe. Let me catch you here, Ghanacan television. Both not gonna focus you in the corner. Anije kwa. Na what if you day? Afri say so babie. Na so betre mo bi. E be say nso le nyahu. Ana mboko. Obia ni agi e fita. Ana kono ye be san babie. Afri siapa. We pa kire say what if ya? Bia bontin na daka mo shi. Sete biano wachina na woko ada na woka demo enye sika no onye ticket nemo ni jembro so a wo de wachira se bita frache nyakubo ahira so baba Canada Edamonyina si Jonathan Poku emo aboye adeshima amoka ebo mu organize sabo cruise yi Ganaka TV owo here se makodu YouTube me producer Ora just say on the Godfrey Cynthia video Ganaka TV e ka se bonyina da masibe bre afi se be se hye obium aduane wo boat nom ensabo mu obiara ni agi ni nyina kire se Ghana for se beta frache Canada e wono ye ka obi kronia e se me ka se boat no ayamienu afane ya fro sa boat no na otifie ye den bra pa na baji wani kese ewiabo so no kan no aka na ochimi na sama na san e be wura wo jacket na o shisha wo ho Canada wo hapa yi entino se wo hwe sa abre na me ka kire se onia en chefie afise e bra bi why ene kono tuahu wow ship no so papa asopa enambozo ze boko sabre tikita
Marcelo, voy para adentro.
sabre de pegasse papá me disse Gana bobo dretso afana ba Colombia o me chese me say chese ne ya ko de fruit da say Gana bobo dretso Colombia foni como ko abajo na mimi amelo kasa adina hawa utifu we so dabi enye ko ako for the order be die wa go lu go wo so wa go so su bra na go wo ya bonti na chile se be da fanya ni chile so wakra na me ka je Rickly e do was be kuna mu go je di maki Rickly hotel ai awo he sweetest kuna mu so asinga na kan ko an se ne beje e se wo se be da wo te se wo ya Ghana ni na Uber Ghana, that's what you go for us. Now, but then, Rickly's hotel. Rickly's hotel. I want to make who say yes. Whatever the fact. So, yeah, I'm at the fresh, comforter. And you are fishing the monetary industry. Quarantine. Now, we go to myself. What of course, I said, you're a book here, but then I get trouble. The Bible said, so, you might come and found. You might come and forth from the airport, after the hotel. I next year I had off the airport. Wait, there was a that's la vista. Ciao.